Well, hey, good looking. Want to see what we have cooking today in my kitchen? Well, grab a hold of that vine, swing onto my kitchen, and let's get cooking. Good looking. Today, I want to sit there and show you how easy it is to make your very own Creole seasoned potato wedges. And we're going to sit there and air fry them. So, swing on into my kitchen and let's get cooking. Good looking.
Well, I have to sit there and make some potato wedges, so I thought I'd bring you along and show you how I sit there and I air fry the potato wedges up, and I figured, okay, turn the camera on, bring you guys along. So, let's get started. We're gonna take 3 teaspoons of kosher salt, and I have a glass coffee cup here, and we're just gonna go ahead and measure them all out. And if I bump the camera, I'm sorry, I do not mean to. We're gonna need 1 teaspoon of paprika. Here's our paprika. And then we're gonna need a teaspoon of the onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder, and then we're gonna be needing 1 teaspoon, and I'm using the Sedgwood pizza seasoning. Go ahead and add that. You're gonna need 1/4 teaspoon celery salt. And then I like adding 1 to 2 tablespoons of my honey powder. Now, go ahead and add 1/2 teaspoon of the cayenne pepper, and then 1/2 teaspoon of the black pepper. Now, go ahead and stir all this up. Go ahead, wash your potatoes up. I cut them in half, and then from this half, I went and I go and quarter them all up into little wedges, and then I take these wedges, I go ahead, I put them in a Ziploc baggie as such. Now, I have them all in my baggie. I have our mix all up. And now, let's just go ahead and throw a few spoonfuls of this mix in. And I'm sorry, I'm getting photobombed in the background from one of my kitty cats. But now let's go ahead, zip this shut, and we're going to toss it to toss all of our potatoes on the inside, and then we're going to put them in our air fryer, and we're going to fry them babies up. So I'm going to get my air fryer down, and we'll see you in a little bit. Here the seasoned potato wedges are. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to sit there and put them in my conventional oven, and I'm trying out this air fryer oven tray in my conventional oven to sit there and see if it's anything comparable to my air fryer. And here are our potato wedges. So I'm just going to let them cool off a little bit, and then I'm going to plate them up on the plate.
Now there you go. That's how easy it was to sit there and make up these Creole seasoned potato wedges. Now, if you liked what you saw here today, please give me a big old thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. If you're a new subscriber to my channel, welcome. And if you're not a subscriber yet, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, tap that little bell. That way you'll always be notified every time I do put out a new video. And thanks for taking the time for watching my videos here. Happy cooking, but better yet, happy eatings. And y'all come back now. You hear?